Today I'm going to make for you the Devil's Soul cocktail, so keep watching. Hey guys, so today I'm going to make a cocktail for you that was created in 2012, and it was created by a fella by the name of Ted Kilgore. I hope I pronounced that right, Ted. I'm sorry if I haven't. This is really a very complex, a very delicate and super tasty cocktail. It's almost really like a bartender's drink. It's something that if I saw it on a menu, I would automatically want to go and buy it. But I think a lot of people at home, you should really try this as well. It's super boozy, it is stirred down, and the first thing that it calls for is 30 mils of rye. I'm going to use the Knob Creek. Because there's a few different flavors in this cocktail, I want to make sure that I use a rye that is going to stand through. And with the Knob Creek at 50% ABV, I think it'll be perfect for it. Now what I like about this cocktail is I haven't tried it. I read this and I thought, man, I really want to try it, but I'm going to make a video and you'll see what I think for the first time. Next up, for a little bit of smoky earthiness, we're going to do 10 mils of Mezcal. I'm using the Del Nogué Vida. Next up, 10 mils of an Amaro. This is Averna. If you've got a bottle of Averna at home and you're wondering what to make in it, check out the link at the end of this video for the Black Manhattan that I made, because it is super delicious as well. It's not one that I've created, but I made it in a video. Next up, 5 mils of Aperol, which I think will add that really nice rhubarby sort of bitterness to it. A little bit too much there. And 5 mils of a Elderflower Liqueur. I'm using the Fiorente. If you don't have Fiorente where you're from, there are a few other Elderflower liqueurs out there. I'll give it a stir down. All right, we're going to chill that down, dilute it down as well. Hope everybody's doing well with COVID at the moment. We just got to open up recently to 75 capacity here at the 18th Amendment, which is fantastic, but I still do feel for all of you that are still in lockdowns all over the world. So yeah, look, keep fighting, you'll definitely get there. Gonna strain that into a pre-chilled glass. I'm using a Angie Camorra here. You can use a cocktail glass. Okay, the Angie Camorra is probably a little bit too big actually, looking at it. There's too much of a wash line there, so you could use maybe a small coupette or something like that. It'd be fine for this because I'm going to drink it, but I probably wouldn't serve it out to a customer looking like that. For my garnish, or the garnish that he created for this cocktail, I'm just going to do a orange twist just to release those essential oils, and that's it. All right, let's try the Devil's Soul. Whoa. I kind of felt like I was drinking an Isle of Malt there for a while. The rye is coming through, and then I get that smokiness from the Mezcal. A little bit of the earthiness as well. It's herbal from the Amaro. A little bit of the bitter sweetness from the Aperol. It's very complex. I really like that. If anything, it might be a touch too much Mezcal for me, and I enjoy Mezcal. I'd love to actually try it with 5 mils instead of 10 mils, but I'm definitely picking up on all those flavors. Yeah, I really like that. It took me a couple sips to sort of work my way around. There's so many different sort of flavors there, but they're really harmonious the way that they're all balanced together. That's a really good drink. Check it out, guys. Please like, subscribe. If there's something different like this that you've created, please send me a message because I would love to do a video of it. And guys, stay safe, keep well, Like, subscribe, and we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.